This is the third video on the C7 rifle. In this video, you will learn the following: the care of ammunition, magazine filling, sights, load, ready, unload, make safe, and safety precautions with a magazine fitted. It is essential that soldiers be capable of maintaining their rifles in a state of readiness under battle conditions and aware of the need for safe handling. All ammunition is rimless. Its caliber is 5.56 millimeters, and this, together with manufacturing information, is stamped on the base of each cartridge. Ammunition is normally issued in bandoliers containing a magazine charger and 100 rounds in 10-round clips. There are four natures of ammunition issued. Ball, or C77, has a smooth brass cartridge case, a jacketed bullet, and a percussion cap in the base. Tracer C78 is similar to ball, but the top of the bullet is painted red. Blank rounds have a smooth brass cartridge case, crimped nose, and a percussion cap in the base. Dummy or training rounds are silver-colored one-piece rounds with no percussion cap. In an emergency, manufactured Armalite ammunition, ball M193 and tracer M196 can be fired. The caliber of the round is the same, but the performance is different from the ammunition specifically designed for the weapon, particularly at ranges greater than 300 meters. Ammunition must be cared for if it is to function properly. Always keep ammunition clean, dry, and free from oil. Never let ammunition lie in the direct rays of sun, as the absorbed heat can cause inaccuracies when firing. Tampering with ammunition is dangerous and forbidden. Avoid using a round as a tool. However, if it is unavoidable, do not attempt to fire any round used in this way. Do not apply pressure to the base of the round, either with a clip or another round. There is a possibility of detonating the percussion cap and thereby firing the round. Magazines are to be inspected regularly. Damaged magazines will cause stoppages. The magazine issued with the C7 rifle will hold 30 rounds. When on operations, always completely fill the magazine. During training, put in the number and type of rounds ordered. Before filling any magazine, inspect it for signs of damage, particularly in the area of the guide lips. There are two methods of filling magazines: by using the magazine charger and by hand. The fastest method is the charger. After inspecting the magazine, grip it in the left hand and position it on a firm surface. Ensure the back of the magazine is facing away from the body. Fit the charger onto the magazine and ensure it is fully seated. Place a clip of 10 rounds into the charger. With the right thumb on the top round, push down until all the rounds are fed into the magazine. Remove and discard the clip. Each time a clip is fed into the magazine, ensure the base of the last round is fully up against the rear wall of the magazine. Fill all magazines, and then place the charger in a pouch. The second method is to fill the magazine with loose rounds by hand. Hold the magazine in the same manner used with the charger. Push the rounds into the magazine one by one. Make sure the base of each round is against the magazine rear wall. At times, it may be necessary to remove the rounds from a magazine. Using an empty clip, Press down on each second round, thus allowing the top to fall out. Ensure the rounds do not fall in the dirt. An alternate method is to hold the magazine in the left hand, bullets pointing away from the body. Push the base of the round forward so that it disengages from the guide lips. It may be necessary to twist and pull the round clear. The next stage in this lesson is the weapon sights. The front sight consists of a square post with two protectors on either side of it. The rear sight consists of a flip-type leaf sight set in the top of the carrying handle. There are two apertures, which are changed by pushing the leaf forward or backward. The small aperture is used at all times, except during close-quarter battle operations, at night, or in low-light conditions. The C7 rifle is considered loaded when it has a magazine on it. On the order load, adopt the standing load position. Hold the rifle by the pistol grip and place your forefinger outside the trigger, keeping the muzzle pointed upwards. Unfasten the ammunition pouch and take out a loaded magazine. Check that the top rounds are positioned correctly and push in the magazine housing. Make certain that it is secure, but do not hit the magazine. Secure the ammunition pouch. On the order ready, or on a range being ordered, check the weapon sights for correct setting. Cock the rifle and ensure the bolt carrier moves fully forward. Do not ride the cocking handle. Strike the forward assist assembly and close the ejection port. Set the selector lever to S. On the order unload, set the selector lever to S and undo your magazine pouch. Remove the magazine and place it in the pouch. Point the muzzle upwards. Tilt the rifle to the right and pull the cocking handle to the rear twice. Pull the cocking handle to the rear. Tilt the rifle to the left and look or feel that the chamber is empty. Let the cocking handle go forward. Set the selector lever to R and squeeze the trigger. Close the ejection port cover. Recover the ejected round, clean, and replace it in the magazine. Put the magazine in the pouch and do up the pouch. The next stage to be covered is the command, make safe. To do this, your weapon must be in the ready state. When the command, make safe, is given, carry out the following drills. Do a complete unload. Then, load the weapon. Do not cock the action. On completion of the drill, make safe, your weapon will have the magazine fitted, but no round will be in the chamber. Once ordered to load the rifle, the soldier is responsible for keeping it loaded until ordered to unload. Each firer is responsible for the safe handling of the rifle and must ensure that when the weapon is ready to fire, the selector lever is always at S unless a fire order has been given. When a soldier is no longer able to ensure its safe handling, the rifle is always unloaded. For example, when it is handed over to another person or left under guard while he or she is performing some duty. On a firing range, the muzzle is always pointed at the sky, at the ground, or in the direction of the target. If an unattended rifle is picked up with a magazine fitted, it is to be unloaded immediately. Always treat your rifle as if it were loaded and never pointed at anyone in jest. The rifle is considered loaded when it has a magazine fitted. It is prepared to fire when the sight is set. It is cocked, and a live round is in the chamber. The rifle is only unloaded when it has no magazine on and no round in the chamber. The rifle will normally be loaded in the standing position, and the soldier will subsequently adopt any firing position which may be ordered. Once ordered to load the rifle, the soldier is responsible for the safe handling of the weapon with the magazine fitted.